An increasingly popular way of sealing is with aerosols. Now, cellulose sealer is available in aerosol, as is acrylic sealer. This is acrylic sealer. The application for cellulose and acrylic sealers in aerosols is exactly the same. So again, prepare your wood. Go through the grits. And tack cloth. Remember, tack cloth with the lathe stationery. And also, if you're spraying the aerosol on your lathe in situ, cover your lathe bed and don't do it with the lathe turning. Just hold the chuck and turn the lathe by hand, because if you do it with the lathe turning and you apply the sealer too heavily, you'll get a run. But the run won't be down your work, it'll be like a centrifugal bead around your work. So just nice and gently. Shake the tin well first. This is already, I've shaken this already, but give it a good couple of minutes shake. And then just holding it about 12 inch away, just dust your sealer on. Nice even coat. You can let that dry, denib, and then put another coat on if you wish, but one coat's normally enough, certainly on a tight grained wood like this, which is cherry. That's great.